Hey, hey, what's up, you guys? Woo, that sun is bling blinging this way, ain't it? Anyway, I'm headed to go and get the bush hog. We got moved to this farm on Friday, and it looks like Danny and Dan finished it maybe Saturday. So I'm gonna grab up the bush hog and head on to the peanut field. Oh, and happy Labor Day to you guys. We're working on it. A lot of sickle pods around these ends. So I have finally finished Father Beaver Dam farm here. Guess we're gonna skedaddle on down the road to the next farm. On the way to the next farm, Dan texted me and said that he was gonna pick me up and let me get my truck so that I can have it at the next peanut farm whenever they call me to come and help them. Right now, Danny is gonna park this truck here beside this cornfield. They're not gonna need me to run the grain cart right now, but when they get down to the smaller fields, they'll need me to run the grain cart. So I'm helping them get moved right now. So we've made it back to the tractor and we're gonna work on this field. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna let y'all see how much work it is mowing around these peanut ends. Let me go ahead and turn the PTO on. My head has to be on a swivel, for real. And you're constantly backing up and going forward. Constantly working the lift up and down. Don't worry about that noise, that's the brake. It's a lot of work, especially when you got a lot of angled rows. It would be easy if all of the rows were aligned perfectly, but since the field is not straight all the way across, you got rows that are cut off at different places, and you got to maneuver your way around. Truth be told, if I had the two-wheel drive tractor, it would be a whole lot easier to go in and out. I already need to turn the AC up some because the humidity is high this morning. this field is pretty raunchy, just like all the rest of them. So that was the hardest part, but that was just the front part of the field. I still got the back part, plus all of the other peanut fields. I just wanted you guys to see how much work it is mowing around these ends. Now this pass that I'm getting ready to make right now is a whole lot easier because I don't have to dip in and out. I can just basically drive straight down the field. So it's a lot of work, man. It is a lot of work. I guess that's why I slept all weekend, because I didn't do anything this past weekend, you guys. Wow. I think I'm gonna go ahead and make my closest pass to the ditch first, because I always, like I said, like to use my right side whenever I'm getting close to stuff. But when I say we working on it, we are working. We are working, you guys. Looking pretty good, eh? Yep. Much better, I'd say. But anyway, I'm just getting started, so there's a whole lot more to be done. I think there's a deer, a baby deer over here in the peanut field. I seen the bushes moving, but I don't see it right now. Look. Oh no, that's a turtle. There's a turtle over there, you guys. Hey, Mr. Turtle, where you going? Huh? Where you going, buddy? Whoa, buddy. That looks like a big pile of stuff there. That's how you know the bear has been going to town in this field. Wow. I'm grossing somebody out. I know. Oh, what was that? Let me get back in the tractor. Yeah, the bear have been working on this field here, you guys. When I was spraying last time over there, man, there's a whole bunch of peanuts dug up. Right here on this corner with all these sickle pies though, this is where the deer wore them out so bad and they weren't able to canopy and shade out the weeds, so them sickle pies are bad. I'm gonna back up over them and get them mowed down. That looks much better. Now on this end of the field, as I was saying earlier, when the rows are straight, you don't have to dip in and out so much. So I like this end of the field. I like this end of the field versus that. Oh my goodness. Them bears are still at work out there, man. Wow, man. Hold up. Got this here. My, oh my. Yep. They're still digging them up. See that? That right there is from last time when I was spraying. Y'all didn't see this. I saw it. But this over here is fresh. The bushes are still green. Out here having a ball. My, oh my. I can imagine there's some more patches over that way too. Looks like a fresh patch right over there. Not gonna get out for that. But I had noticed quite a few patches over here. Like I said last time when I was spraying. I don't know if you can see them or not, but yeah. They have been working on this field. Here's an older patch. As you can see, the bushes have turned brown. Alright, you guys, so I've made it to another farm. Gonna work on this one for a while. On to the next one. Alright, you guys, I got that last field knocked out. Dan texted me a few minutes ago and said he would need me in about an hour and 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take lunch and get that out of the way so that I can definitely be through with lunch when he texts me to come on to the cornfield. Cleaning off this bush hog a little bit. There wasn't much on it. It don't get nasty like it do when you're mowing corn stalks. But hey, I don't want no ants in my pants that'll make me dance. Oh, them ants, I hadn't seen one living ant since the other day though. So that's good. Well, what do we have here? Ha ha! Look what Danny got us, you guys. Yeah! Some watermelon. Do you like watermelon? Here, I'll let you get the first bite. Mmm. Is it good? That's pretty good, ain't it? Yeah. Mmm. Here. Get you another piece. Yeah, you can get you another piece, alright? Mmm. Mmm. Oh, yeah. Yummy, yummy. Food for our tummy. Thanks a lot, Nanny. It is good. Alrighty, we have arrived to the cornfield, you guys. Uh-oh, looks like the auger got stopped up. Oh boy. So I guess Danny put one of my first day numbers and opened the auger while unloading and got it jammed up. We got it straightened out. All right, I'm gonna pull over here and get this load from Dan. I don't even know how much is on the international here. Okay, might be one more fill up on there, but I guess we'll see when we get it loaded on here. Going up, going up. So you guys, I was supposed to bring Dan's food with me when I came to the field. I guess we got so intrigued and caught up by eating our watermelon, I forgot to bring it. Oh man, last time he wanted me to bring his food, I forgot his fork. This time I forgot the fork and the food. It's looking like this is the last load that's gonna go on the truck. Let me run and get Dan's food, you guys. Oh my goodness, man. I just talked to Danny. He said to go ahead and crank up the Freightliner around here so it can be airing up and I can load on it next. All right, let's go get Dan's food now. We've made it back and we're gonna get Dan fed, you guys. All right, we gotta walk around the corner to go get the Freightliner now. Oh, it feels nice and lovely in here. Sometimes those trailer brakes don't like to release back there. Like to give me a hard time. And they are. Come on. All right, you guys, finally got them. Wow, man. They wanted to be a hassle today. The deer are gonna love that pile of corn there. All right, we're good to go. Put this first one in the front. So we're finishing up this little farm here. This is probably only about 3 acres. And then we'll have to move to another farm. I gotta get one more load on the Freightliner truck. Danny's made it back and we're gonna get this one topped off and the rest of it put on that other truck. So we've made it to the next little farm here. It's only about 7 or 8 acres and it wraps around this person's yard, goes around to the other side there. I was looking at the clouds over here. They're starting to formulate a little more. I know the percentage of showers increases as the evening goes on. I don't know how much longer we'll be able to harvest before it starts raining, if it does start raining. But I figured I'd let you guys hang out with me today on Labor Day, see how things was going. Hey, if you went to a cookout today, I want you to leave a burger or a hot dog emoji in the comment section. That's right. I want you to share your food with me. Hey, don't act like that now. Remember, I shared my watermelon with you. Anyway, I'm wrapping the video up, you guys. Hey, if you enjoyed watching, smash the like button for us. Throw a comment in the comment section. Let me know what's on your mind. Jesus Christ is Lord, to the glory of God the Father. You guys stay blessed. You guys keep encouraged. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.